Welcome to today's wireframing tutorial. In this lesson, we'll walk you through how to design an interactive notification drop-down menu within your wireframe. Here's a dashboard wireframe we've designed using Mockflow, and in this tutorial, we'll make the notification drop-down you see here interactive by using Mockflow's prototyping features. After creating the notification drop-down in your design, head to the Layers section. Rename the drop-down for easy identification when managing interactions later in your design process. Now, we'll click on the notification icon and add an interaction for the drop-down menu. For the trigger action, we'll choose a mouse click and then select Toggle Component Visibility to control the drop-down's visibility. Be sure to select the pop-up component we renamed earlier, so it appears when clicked. We'll also enhance the drop-down's appearance by adding transition effects, using a roll in down a 4 when it appears and roll out up a 4 when it hides. To make the interaction more engaging, we'll adjust the duration of each effect, creating a smooth and visually appealing transition. Finally, set the dashboard as the primary container to ensure the drop-down only appears when triggered. Switch to View mode to preview the interaction. The notification drop-down will stay hidden until it's triggered by a click on the designated component. And that's how easy it is to make your drop-downs interactive in Mockflow. Stay tuned for more tips to enhance your prototypes and take your designs to the next level.